Ay, the beast. Masaya naman si Rain or Shine head coach Zheng Giao na nakapasok na sila sa win column ng 2016 Governors Cup. Ibinahagi naman niya ang naging susi sa kanilang sa kanilang panalo kontra Phoenix. Narito ang report ni Maria Isabel Reyes.
Nasungkit ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ang kanilang unang panalo sa 2016 PBA Governors Cup matapos padapain ang Phoenix Viewmasters noong Sabado. Ayon kay Ross head coach Zheng Giao, mas maganda ang depensa at endgame performance ng kanyang koponan sa kanilang second game.
It's a better performance than our first game. We had fewer turnovers. Our imports played better. Siguro kailangan lang na masanay rin siya dun sa takbo ng team. Gabe shot the ball better. I think he was the best player for the game, and J.R. Kenyahan also played good.
Pinuri rin ng PBA champion coach ang pesky opponent na pinahirapan sila sa unang tatlong quarters. Dikit ang scores ng team sa mula first hanggang third quarter, pero nakagawa ng isang 17-0 run sa fourth kanto ang Elasto Painters para tuluyang mag-pull away sa laban.
Well, at the end of the day, we won the game. We won it by 17 points, but it was a close game all the way to the fourth quarter. Phoenix is a strong team, with a good lineup. Ang kulang na lang sa kanila is yung experience and sometime together, yung playing together.
All praises din si Giao kay former Gabe Norwood na siyang naging best player of the game matapos magtala ng 14 points at 4 assists na may perfect 4 of 4 shooting form beyond the arc. Samantala, umaasa si Giao na tuluyan ng makakabalik sa kanyang 100 form si combo guard Paul Lee na nagpapagaling mula sa kanyang knee injury.
Hindi pa rin siya 100% pero it's getting there. More than a week pa lang siya nag-iinsayo sa amin. Last night I think he got 11 points and he played the end game. He's getting better. He's getting in better condition. Problema nga pag matagal kang nawawala, yung conditioning mo bumabagsak. Pero si Paul malapit na na masipag naman siya. So last night was a good indication that he's getting there, but he's not 100% yet.
Sa Sabado, muling sasabak sa playing court ang Elasto Painters kontra Blackwater Elite. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.